Applying for an electronic travel authorization is the first step for most visa-exempt travelers heading to Canada. In this video, we're walking you through the process so you know what to do. So first, open your browser and go to the official Government of Canada website. I'm already here. Also, make sure you're on the government page and not a third-party site that may charge extra fees. Scroll down and check if you need ETA. Most travelers from visa-exempt countries flying to Canada will need one. If you already hold a valid Canadian visa or you're in the US, you don't need to apply. And now guys, in this button you can just click Apply Online. You'll be asked to gather your passport, credit or debit card, and email address. The application takes only a few minutes to complete. Enter your details exactly as they appear in your passport. For example, name, date of birth, passport number, and country of issue. Double check everything, because mistakes could delay your travel. And also you'll need to answer a few security and health questions. Answer them truthfully. In most cases, you'll still get approved quickly if everything checks out. The application fee is currently $7 Canadian. You can pay online using Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or other accepted options. After payment, you'll immediately get a confirmation email. In many cases, your ETA approval arrives within minutes, but some applications may take a few days if additional documents are required. You'll get an email with your ETA status, so keep checking your inbox, including spam or junk folders. Also guys, an ETA is electronically linked to your passport and is valid for up to 5 years or until your passport expires, whichever comes first. You don't need to print anything, just travel with the passport you use for the application. And that's it, you're ready to fly to Canada with your ETA approved. If this tutorial helped, let me know in the comments and check out my other travel guides for more tips. Thanks for watching.